I have been using rice water for 1 year now. I think more than that, and it has done wonders to my hair. I love rice water for my skin, for my hair, and in this video I'm going to tell all about how I use rice water, how it has helped me. I'm going to show you step by step how I do it. So yeah, let's start. And hi, I'm Shamapti. Welcome to my channel. And today is all about rice water. I love rice as food. As a skincare ingredient, Cosrx rice sleeping mask is my favorite, and obviously for my hair, I love rice. Yeah, I think I have made it clear by far that my love for rice. So for my hair, how rice has helped me. Actually, I use fermented rice water for my hair and scalp, and I have noticed my hair and scalp, they feel significantly healthier since I've started using rice water first. Number 2, I have seen reduction in hair fall, and number 3, hair growth. Yeah, it has helped me to grow my hair, but I need to tell you, my hair actually grows pretty fast. I mean, this is how my hair makers, sorry. So yeah, this is what my hair is like. My hair grows fast, but yeah, overall, if my hair is not healthy, it is breaking. If I have itchy scalp, then obviously I'll have difficulty in growing my hair. Now the thing is, what I do, how I use rice water. See, there are so many recipes all over the internet, and there is this famous yao recipe, and sometimes people, they boil rice, then they use the water, they put orange peel, then they ferment the rice water for days, for weeks, then after that they use it. What I did for my hair, see, I've tried many recipes for rice water, and this is what works for me, what I'm gonna show you right now, and how rice water actually helps the hair. See, there are many things. People say that it has nutrients that help the hair and scalp, or it has good bacteria, then it helps to balance the pH. There are so many things. So now let's start with the recipe. First, we need rice, obviously, like brown rice, white rice, basmati rice. Basmati rice would be too much. I would keep that for my biryani. So let's take just plain white rice. That's what I use. Then we need to wash the rice very carefully, very properly, at least twice. Wash it. You need to get rid of the dirt and everything. I wash the rice at least for 4 times. Alright, so after washing the rice, you have the clean rice, right? Now you're gonna use filtered water. Then you're gonna soak the rice in that filtered water for 2 hours. That's what I do. And after 2 hours, separate the rice from the water. Use the rice, cook it, whatever you feel like do with the rice. Don't waste it. Then take the rice water now. Leave it overnight to ferment, and yeah, next day you have your rice water. And this is what works for me. I've seen, like I told you, many people boil the rice, then they use the water. I have done that, but it didn't work for me, to be very honest. It made my hair feel sticky. But if that is something works for you, then that's fine. For me, this method works. So yeah, next day I have my rice water. Then what I do, I shampoo my hair, then I use conditioner, and I use rice water as a last step, as almost hair rinse. So I take this big bowl and I just put all my hair in that bowl like this, and yeah, I wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Then I put some rice water in the spray bottle and I start spraying it on my scalp, because it's very difficult to, when I'm dipping my hair in the water, my scalp doesn't get the water, if it makes any sense. So I use the spray bottle to give my scalp the love of rice water. And yeah, after 10 minutes, I'm done. And I have seen many people, they wash with fresh water after doing this rice water rinse. I don't do that. For me, it's done. I'm done. Then I use serum as the last step, and I have heard from people that if you leave rice water on your hair and scalp, if you don't wash it with water, then it can cause build-up. It didn't happen to me, and by not washing the rice water, my hair feels better than if I just go and rinse it off with water. So if you think that you want to rinse your hair with water after using rice water, you can do that. If it works great for you, then that's alright, but I'm not gonna do that because leaving the water on helps me. And many people would ask me about the smell. See, if I like leave it overnight, the rice water, it doesn't smell much, but if I like ferment it for like 3 days, 4 days, obviously the smell would be like something. But if I'm leaving it for overnight, I don't mind the smell, to be very honest, and it doesn't linger on my hair for long time. But yeah, if the smell bothers you, then wash it off with water. Yeah, this is what it is. I use rice water like 3 times in a week. I try to, but sometimes I feel lazy and I just don't do it, I skip it. But yeah, I'm trying to be more like persistent with rice water. I'm trying not to be lazy with my hair care, and yeah, this is what I do. And yeah, I can use it like each time I rinse my hair. But I need to tell you something, do whatever that works for you. I mean, experiment like which method works for you. If boiled rice water works best for you, use that. If rinsing off the rice water from your hair helps you out, use that. Or this method that I have been using that helps you out, then very good. Let me know which works the best for you. And yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful, and let me know if rice water overall has worked for you. I even mix rice water with henna. I use henna mask like once in a month. I try to. Again, I am kind of lazy there these days, but yeah, I mix rice water with henna mask. I use that. I'm gonna show you the recipe someday. I think I made a video on this a few months back. I'm gonna leave the link if I find the video. But yeah, rice water has been a savior for me. It works really well for my hair and skin, and for my skin I'm gonna leave the update very soon. But I've heard from like some of you that you have not found rice water to be useful, but I've also heard from many people that rice water has worked for them. So it's like you need to like figure it out if it works for you or not. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe if you want to if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye.